What is going on, guys? Fredo here. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with the intro. But if you guys have noticed, like I have, and have tried it maybe even, you guys already know what I'm talking about because of the title of the video and the thumbnail perhaps. The print-on-demand industry. So, like you guys, I decided to go on about watch multiple videos on how to start a print-on-demand business. And I'm here to give it my thoughts of it, my year thoughts. I've been doing this for a year now, and the results might surprise you. Honestly, there's a lot of hype to it, I guess you could say, and it's not what you think it is. When all these YouTubers are telling you, oh, print on demand, you want to make side hustle money, print on demand business. I'm here to tell you guys that not all that is true. And you might want to take it with a grain of salt, because a lot of YouTubers, especially hustling YouTubers, side hustle YouTubers, some of them over exaggerate when they say you can make thousands of dollars a month. Because at least for me, like I'm telling you guys honestly, and like I said before, I will never tell you guys any exaggerated lies or anything like that. I'm just like you, trying to make it out here, and I'm here to tell you that most of the time, maybe I just got unlucky, but you're not gonna make $1,000 a month, regardless of whatever it is. I'm happy I didn't quit my job and didn't realize that just give it a moment and see where it goes, and not just completely listen to whatever somebody's saying on the internet, because at the end of the day, that's terrible advice. Don't listen to anybody on the internet. Just take everything that you learn from them with a grain of salt. Like me, you don't gotta listen to everything I say. But with that being said, let's get straight into my Etsy and go from there. But yeah, like I was saying, you get all these YouTubers promoting the print on demand, full tutorials, full videos. Look at the clickbait on this guy, 140,000. That's not happening. The way I see it is that it's super saturated now with all these YouTubers hopping on to the little side hustle, and just all these YouTubers just straight 140. Don't just see this guy's. I don't know. I haven't watched his video, but maybe he's onto something the way I'm doing it. Like, just look at all of these designs I've made right here. I've made 55 products, and I have all made them through Photoshop, just making designs back to back to back to back to back to back today. So I've made only $230 in my products in over a year. So that's pretty good. And like I said, I feel like I'm still in the green because of the money I've made so far. 230 out of like maybe like $20, $50 of me making sure that the store is maintained and still running, which is pretty good. It's really good. This website, if you really want to hop on this, you can. It didn't cost me anything except maybe a couple cents every month. And like I said, this is a website I use, Printify. And then if we go to my Etsy store, if we go into my Etsy store, I've only made 8 sales. And these are designs right here, 21. You know, I've made 8 sales, 3 admirers. I've only had to deal with one customer that returned my shirts, and it was only because she ended up not wanting the shirts because her daughters didn't like them. So she bought them for her daughters. Funny story. And their daughters ended up not wanting to wear it. I think it was one of these shirts, like this. The logo on inside the shirt, so super professional. Had right there. Wow. And 19, yeah, right there. That's pretty much it. Zero stars on the shop. Like I said, it's called Nuestra Cultura Design. This, like the shipping, payment options, return exchange, all through the Etsy store. And now, why did I choose Etsy and not Shopify? Well, with Shopify, you actually gotta pay a monthly fee to have the store running. With Etsy, you just gotta pay the shirts, the cost of the shirts to be up, but the store can be open for as long as you want it to be open, and you don't get charged for anything. And right here, see, July 26, 2023. Welcome to the grand opening of Nuestra Cultura. So like I was saying right here, this is my June monthly statement. I didn't make any profit, so I lost 40 cents. Like I said, I've only made really like $260 out of it in the whole year. Would have made like 300, but like I said, I returned some shirts because they didn't like them. So obviously I'm not against returning anything. Like I said, it's a hit or miss. I feel like I didn't try hard enough maybe with promoting it and marketing it. I do have an Instagram for it, but I really didn't post anything because I don't know, I just didn't really think of it as a actual business because at the end of the day, it's Etsy. People just buy stuff there because it's a hobby, and then when you promote something like that through social media and say, oh, it's my Etsy store, you know what I'm saying, like, it's really a niche type of people that actually go on Etsy to buy stuff. And sometimes I even forget that Etsy's a thing. Like sometimes I'll go months without even remembering that I have a store, a clothing store on Etsy, because I rarely even think about it. And it was a good little experiment to try out. I'm probably gonna keep it running till maybe the new year, and if I get no more sales from it, I might release something. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I release another design and promote it more on the ImFredo channel? I don't know, but I'm probably gonna keep it up till January, and then if nothing happens with it, I'm gonna just close it down and call it a day. But at least I tried it. So you know, I had been thinking about doing print on demand for such a long time that it's crazy. And one of the things I guess is that I struggle making designs from time to time because I didn't know what I wanted to make a shirt design. Like this is pretty simple and dumb, but you know, people would buy it, and people have bought this shirt. So like I said, try it at your own risk. You really got nothing to lose. Maybe you might get lucky and make the 170,000 that we saw on the thumbnail, but it's definitely not something you're gonna get rich out of 100%. You're probably better off maybe even investing into Shopify and making it into a whole website, and maybe you'll get more traffic, but you'll probably have to promote it more than with Etsy, because of Etsy, it's you're just renting out a space pretty much. But if I learned anything from it is, don't trust all the YouTubers that tell you all these different side hustles, because they don't try it for a whole year most of the time. They just research it or have somebody else research it and then just make a video out of it. And unlike me, I actually did it for a whole year, and I don't think I ever talked about it on the channel because I wanted to actually focus on it and see what I can make. And I mean, we're coming to a year's 1 year anniversary of the Nuestra Cultura, and I've only made $200. So it's not a loss, but I definitely expected a lot more considering all the hype and all the videos people make about print on demand businesses. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.